Want to check your credit score for free? This video reviews the CreditCards.com credit score tool. Find links and resources below. This tool offers a simple way to check your Vantage score and get personalized insights. Powered by a major credit bureau, it's a soft inquiry, checking won't hurt your score. Perfect for exploring financial options. See exactly what impacts your score, payment history, credit utilization, and account age. Identify areas to improve and make smarter decisions. Based on your profile, the tool recommends credit cards you're likely to be approved for. Ideal for those new to credit monitoring or applying for a card. It's convenient, valuable, and easy to use. This tool empowers you to monitor your credit and achieve financial goals. Want tailored credit card recommendations and a hassle-free credit check? Click the links below. Take control of your credit journey today.